Hi, how are you all doing? Welcome. Many of you have asked me how to assemble the Zero Cascade Connector. The Zero Cascade Connector will allow us to run a vertical line upwards and interconnect different shelves to the LEDs. Let's take a closer look. Alright, let's see what components we would need to set up those shelves with the cascade cable. Obviously, for this particular project, we would definitely need the essential LED light source, a reliable power transformer, the specialized cascade cables themselves for proper connection, and some additional electrical wires to securely connect the LED component. Alright, remember that the transformer is what gets connected to the power first, and it would be hidden in the bottom module or under the lowest shelf, and that's where we would connect the vertical line that will bring power up to our shelves. For that, we need a cable, okay, to connect to the LED strip. What we're going to do is cut it. I've already cut it, okay? I've got it cut right here, see? And what I did was cut it right here, okay? That's all. It's the same cable. I've attached the little piece we had loose here, alright? So this part that I've already cut will be the one that connects to the transformer, okay? Very well. Next, we'll take this part here and grab one of the cascade cables, okay? We'll take the part that goes on the bottom, alright? This part will go on the shelf. Basically, if you look, it's already set up with two little holes so you can insert the two cables, and we'll just push them in. As you can see, we'll push them all the way in, okay? They've just gone in, but now, simply with the pliers, there's no need to strip them. We'll crush them. Now we'll grab the pliers, okay? Pay attention to this position. We'll just squeeze them all the way, alright? So that they're perfectly clamped. Alright, now we have the transformer, the cable, and the first cable ready for the shelf slot. This piece would go to the shelf and this one would keep going up. How would we continue? Well, now we'd take the LED strip that we're going to install on each shelf, okay? And simply, we already know how to do this. We recommend stripping this piece so it fits better. We'll just peel off a bit of the adhesive from the back here, alright? And now we would just insert it inside, okay? And we'd secure it. It would already be connected. This would be the first shelf, alright? This is how it would look. This would be the first shelf, and we still have the piece that continues going up. So, how will it be connected? With the next cascading cable, okay? The next cascading cable. This part will connect to the part that goes up. This one, again, will go to the LED and this will keep going up. How would it be connected? Well, just like we saw before, alright? It's really easy, honestly, and that's it. We'd have it done. Now we'd press it in and it would keep going up. In summary, we'd have the transformer, which would be connected to the light and would be hidden at the bottom of the module or shelf. Next, we would hook up the cable that we previously cut to make use of the AMP connection, which in turn would go to the daisy chain cable. To that part of the daisy chain cable, we would connect the other part of the cable we cut so we can connect it to the LED strip that would go on the first shelf. The daisy chain cable continues upward, where we would connect the other daisy chain cable. From the shelf, we would again use a cable to connect the daisy chain cable to the new LED on the shelf. The daisy chain cable would continue upward, where we could connect another daisy chain cable and repeat the process.